Welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and multi-bagger tips. I believe all the future group investors are on happy today, on happy mood today because Delhi High Court they lifted the status quo order which was issued earlier. This in the last few videos I told very clearly that the status quo order will be lifted and also the deal will be completed at anyhow. Even yesterday also I said the same thing. So now this is a very important video. Please try to watch the video till end. So here we are going to discuss about the future. That means the deal will complete. So what is next? This is what we are going to discuss today. Future Group won won in Delhi High Court. What is next? So there are few things we are going to discuss one by one. What is the swap ratio? Maybe many of us knows that. There are some people they doesn't know about that. We will discuss that. What is the target for that future target? When will be the NCLT approval will come? So many people having still confusion, and also there are rumors are happening. Don't fall on that. We will discuss that. Is there any other hurdle in between? Is there any other hurdle in between? And we will discuss that. How long will take that whole process and till reach the target? So we are going to discuss all this stuff, and surely this will be an informative video, so try to watch the video till end. Before we are going into the video, yesterday I posted one video. So the video length is almost 40 minutes, and there are 15 multi-bagger stocks are there. And in that, the please try to watch this video till end because this is very informative also. And all the 15 multi-bagger stocks are mid cap, and these are awaiting breakout. So just I will show you one example. Yesterday I posted this video, and the ninth company you can see is him Technoforge. Today it is traded 8.39. So yesterday while I was posting, this was at around 64. Today it closed at 69.30. The breakout is happened already. So still this is the good time to buy. So there are the remaining 14 companies are there. So don't forget to watch that video. First thing we are going to discuss is what is the swap ratio. So the swap ratio for Future Consumer Limited is you can see here 10 is to 9. It means every 10 shares of Future Consumer Limited you will get 9 share of FEL. The second one is Future Enterprises Limited. So this is a parent company right now. So all the remaining companies are going to merge in that. So there is no dilution going to happen. So one share is equal to one share itself. The third company is Future Lifestyle Fashion, and the swap ratio is 10 is to 116. It means every 10 shares of Future Lifestyle Fashion FLFL you will get 116 shares of FEL. And the fourth company is Future Market Networks Limited. In that you will get every 10 shares of FMNL you will get 18 shares of FEL. And the fifth company is Future Retail Limited. So every 10 shares of Future Retail Limited you will get 111 shares. And 101 shares of Future Enterprises Limited. And the last company is Future Supply Chain Solution Limited, FSC. Here you will get every 10 shares of FSC you will get 131 shares of FEL. So all these companies are going to merge into Future Enterprises Limited, FEL. Now we are going to discuss what is a target for FEL. So FEL target we can derive from the competing company. So just we are into Avenue Supermarket, which is called as DMart. Everyone know about this company. 5 years back, the company's market share was 50%, while we are comparing to Future Group. So Future Group was holding 50%, and they were also holding 50%. That means their annual sale was quarterly sale was around 8,000 crore was their annual sale, and Future Group sale also was same. Both of them having sale was there, And currently you can see the market capitalization of the company is 193 lakhs. Oh, sorry, yeah, 193 lakhs 321 crore is the market share. So while it is merging with the Geomart, so the FEL will be the largest um, retailer. So it will cross around 3 lakhs crore. 3 lakhs crore in 2 years, you can expect in 2 years. So while we are going into this thing, our target is minimum 500 per share, per each FEL share, 500 per share in 2 years. So this is our long term target. So 2 years target. So don't sell this share at all within 2 years. So just until reaching this 500, the magic figure, just hold. Now we are going to discuss how long the NCLT order will take. So the answer for this, the NCLT order will complete by end of February. So we can expect before 22nd February it will complete, because the case hearing will be on 22nd February in Delhi High Court. Before that, NCLT order will be completed, because before I told you, once the NCLT order is issued, that cannot be challenged in Supreme Court. Today also you can see the order from Delhi High Court divisional bench, including the Chief Justice. They told that statutory authorities' orders shall not be interfered. So and before also in the SR Steel matter, I told you NCLT order shall not be challenged, because Supreme Court also told that. So surely the Reliance will try for this. The NCLT order will be issued before 22nd February, because normal processing time is 15 days, and already 5 days completed. 15 days is the normal processing time. So this will be completed by 22nd February or before that. Okay, next we will look into the subject. Is there any hurdle in between? So right now we are in the article of Mr. Ranina, the senior advocate of Supreme Court. You can see him. So today he um, clearly said about this thing, that there is no hurdle in between, because Delhi High Court divisional bench already they told that yes, you can go ahead with the deal. The Delhi High Court divisional bench judgment is in favor of Future and Reliance deal. They are now free to go ahead until the Supreme Court sets aside or stay the Delhi High Court divisional bench order. So this because Amazon will not get a chance to approach Delhi, Supreme Court until the Delhi High Court hearing is happening on 22nd February. So really Amazon in the trap. And he continued that, so certainly for the next few days until the matter comes up in the Supreme Court, they are free to do exactly as they want to do. So it means the NCLT order they will push, and they will complete the NCLT order, because everyone know about Mukesh Ambani. If he decided something, he will get it done, and they can go ahead, and no statutory authority can now debarred from taking view in accordance of the law, because Delhi High Court divisional bench already told that there is no hurdle in between, and the deal will be completed. Everyone they can sleep freely, just hold it. There will be negative comments. All such comments are coming from greedy operator. Don't fall on that. Don't listen to that. There is no hurdle at all in between. If someone says, means just say yes, but don't act accordingly. Before also I told you the deal will be completed, just hold it. Hope everyone everyone still holding that share. So this will be a multi-bagger, and already I told you the target is 500 within 2 years. So this is the minimum target I am telling. So this is a multi-bagger stock. Don't fall on any negative news. Just hold it. If you are able to buy, just buy it. Tomorrow all the six future group shares will be in upper circuit. All will be in upper circuit, and the upper circuit will continue. Maybe maybe until this 22nd February. After 22nd February, all the companies will merge to FEL. So after after merging to the FEL, there is minor dilution will happen, but that will not affect to the FEL price. FEL price will be same. And this thing, that means according to the swap ratio, all the shares will be issued within 3 days. 3 days after the merging happening, within 3 days the merging will the merging share will also will be issued as a FEL share. So don't just hold it. Already I told you our target is 500 for 2 years. Thank you very much.